In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the transfer case shift motor on this BMW X5. This is going to be located underneath the vehicle on the transfer case. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this shield using an 8mm socket. Take these bolts out. Slide that forward a little bit and pull that down. We're going to remove this shield using an 8mm socket. Take these bolts out. Take these two nuts off, use a 10mm socket. And just pull the shield down. And you can pull that out. I'm just going to use a transmission jack and just support underneath the transmission pan. Just using a block of wood just so nothing breaks. Just be careful. Using a 18mm socket and an 18mm wrench on the back side on the nut, we're going to take this bolt out. Take that out. And we're going to take this bracket down, but to get all these bolts out, I'm just going to support this with a pull jack, just to make it a little easier. And then we're going to take all these bolts out. Using a 16mm socket, take these bolts out. Now those are out. Now I can lower this down. Move the pull jack. Pull it down out of the way. Disconnect the connector. There is a lock tab on top. Just push down. Slide the connector off. Using a E10 socket, take these bolts out. And grab the motor, and it comes right up. Take the transfer case shift motor, line this up, make sure it's all the way down, which it is. Put the bolt through. If it doesn't seem like it's going all the way down, then the splines of the motor may have to be adjusted. And we'll torque these to 16 foot-pounds. That's good. And connect the connector. It's locked in. Take the cross member. Get this lined up. You can use the pull jack to hold it if you want to. Just take a couple bolts. Get those started. we'll tighten these down. Slide the long bolt through. Might have to lower the transmission a little bit. Get this to line up. Just pry it over if you need to. Get the nut started on the back. Tighten that down. We're going to lower the transmission jack. To put the other shield up, I'm just going to take these two nuts off, use a 10mm socket. It was okay coming out, but it's going to be a little easier to put it back on with these out. You can pull this down further. Makes it a little easier. Slide the panel in place. Go through those studs. Get these lined up. Get the screws started. Before we tighten down all the screws, get these nuts started. Now tighten these down. And all the screws. Take this shield, get this lined up. Slide that over the slotted bolts in the back. All the other holes are lined up. And get the bolts started. Tighten these down. And the back.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.